Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try navy blue polo t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try off-white shirt with black pants and tan loafers. Next you can try light blue printed half sleeve shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try blue and orange printed half sleeve shirt with black faded jeans and white and red sneakers. Next you can try denim blue shirt with grey cargo pants and black boots. Next you can try olive green polo t-shirt with white pants and tan loafers. Next you can try white shirt with white pants and brown sandals. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with sky blue ripped jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 loafer outfit ideas.